Meiji reforms. Administrative reforms. To integrate the nation, the Meiji government launched a new administrative structure by modifying the old boundaries of villages and domains. Feudalism was abolished under the Meiji rule in 1871. Economic reforms. Meiji reforms targeted at modernizing the economy. Japan's first railway line, spanning between Tokyo and the port of Yokohama, was built in 1870 to 1872. Modern banking institutions came into existence in 1872. Zaibatsu business families commanded the economy. Industrial reforms. Textile machineries were imported from Europe. Foreign technicians were engaged to train workers. Their services were also used in universities and schools. Japanese students were encouraged to study abroad. Numerical strength of people in manufacturing industries increased. Most of these workers were women. The factories too increased in size.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.